Hello guys, today is day 2 of the game room / office renovation. I have already fixed the monitors. As you have seen, I brought in the bookshelves and everything. Only thing now left is to tidy them up. Also, the monitor, the BenQ monitor will be taken down today because there is more drilling to be done above. The other one is quite fixed, so I'm not keen on removing it. I will cover it with a cloth or whatever. And I realized that I may have bought more shelves than I can fit on the wall, but better have more than less, I guess. And yeah, so I will kick on the time lapse and I will see you in the next update. Hello guys, one more update. As you can see, I already fixed the 2 monitors and I fixed the 2 shelves. Now the 2 shelves have like half a centimeter gap between them, which unfortunately I cannot rectify because it's very close, and if I next to the hole, it will just widen the hole. Now what I what I need to do now is to clear up all this mess. As you can see, the place is a mess. So I need to tidy up everything here. I finished the wiring of the monitors as well and the webcam. Now I need to finish the rest of the wiring on the PC. So let's get to it. Hello guys, welcome to day 3 of the office / game room renovation, and as you can see, everything is done. I have installed the soundproofing panels. I have also did some of the decorations. As you can see, there is all the evolutions of Gogu, and now everything is ready. Here is the